there are some super fun fringe benefits to writing a book that I've not heard any author talk about so far. So I'm going to tell you about it, which is you can be actually, you can annoy your friends and family members when they annoy you, and even when they don't annoy you, you can really annoy them back. So let me give you an example. In the last 1 week, and this is also making me realize how versatile and how much there is in this lovely book that I wrote. But when people have been bringing up some things, like my dad, he talked about why we should not take any action or make any decision in the heat of the moment when we are angry. We should wait for it to cool down and then do it. And he was talking about this when we were having a discussion. And I was like, yes, yes, Daddy, I write about this in chapter 6 of my book. You should read it. I don't know if he's going to read it at all, but it is so much fun to say that. Yeah. I say this in chapter 6. And my son has so yeah, okay, so he's going through certain challenges and things, and I'm like, you know what, chapter 2, read chapter 2, there's a hero's journey framework, and maybe you could use that. So it's just a lot of fun. I'm sure they're all very annoyed with me, but I'm having my payback time for the last 20-25 years of times when people gave me gyan I already knew, and this is my chance of saying, yeah, that's in chapter 8, yeah, that's in chapter 9, yeah, you should read this. It's a lot of fun. And I think I'm stretching that fun now here on social media also, but I truly do believe there's so much in this book. And I'm speaking to a friend of mine from IIT yesterday. Her name is also Ramya, and she's a senior, and I was telling her I feel so light after reading this book, because after writing this book, because all these years I sort of because I've been in this space for so long, I felt like I was carrying the burden of, I know something, when people would share something or say something, and I would feel like I know something that can help you, but sometimes I would share it, but sometimes it's not always the receptive time, right? You can't share like fix-it things. It's very uncompassionate, and not always nice to share it in the moment of when a person is expressing. So they'll have to perhaps attend a course or a workshop or something. But I would just have this burden inside of me that, gosh, I know something that can help this person, but either I can't share because the time and space is not appropriate, or the person's not receptive right now, or I have this knowledge that can really help people, and I'm sitting on it, like that guilt kind of, and that guilt is gone now because I'm not sitting on it now. It is all inside this, and I just feel so relieved. So now I'm like, she's like, what are you going to do? And I'm like, I will still teach, and I will still coach, and I will still do this, but I also feel like if I don't want to, I don't have to. Like, I can just take my car and go driving to my farmhouse and paint and go on hikes and do whatever I want. So I like teaching and I like coaching, but I don't want to do it all the time and for everyone who needs it, because it looks like the whole planet needs it, and I want to do other things in my life as well. So it's just been very, very, for me, liberating. So it's like I wrote this book, and now I'm free. I've liberated myself. I have not that it really felt like a burden to help, but sometimes it would feel like, and it has started feeling like. So yeah, the writing of this book, it is a gift. So please, this is also advertising, promoting all of that, only because I know it can really help people. And also, this must be in a mirror image now. Check out the link and go and read it. It's called Career Alchemy, an inside-out approach to joy, success, and fulfillment through work. Yes, it's as globe as can get, but it is a very big overarching thing. I've written it based on the last 20-25 years of my own journey and work, and this is my mission and purpose and all of that, and yet I've sort of released myself from having to do it by writing this book. But I will still continue to do the work that I want, but really, cutting myself a lot of slack, because now it's also all there in the book, which means you can you can benefit from it. So I see no reason why yeah, nobody should be getting this book, and I think it can help everyone, literally, like literally from my son to my father. And whether you have a career, it's a career alchemy book, I know, but it can also help people who don't have careers. And my mom is loving it. She doesn't have a career, so it is also about life. I just see, actually, people keep asking me, what's your target audience? I'm like, you know what? Yeah, not dogs, not cats. It's all of human beings. That's not a very smart thing to say in marketing, I know, but I do believe that this can help literally everyone. So get yourself a copy of the book, and I know it will help you. And then, yeah, the more this book goes out there and does the work that it can do, the more I feel I carry less of the burden of knowledge, or burden of tools, or burden of methodology, right? Because that can also be a burden. Sometimes you feel like, I'm walking through life knowing all these things that can help all these people, but I am not actually helping everybody, and therefore I'm a bad person. So now I have freed myself from all that guilt. I am not a bad person if I'm not helping anyone who needs help, because the book is out there. So go get the book. Bye, and have a lovely day.